Are we there yet? Are we there yet? There's no power. There
go.
Okay, Mami.
Stop vlogging na, please.
Magical boom.
Anak dito.
I'm not shiny.
Nelly, pang bara, abra shoes. Shiny ka dyan.
Okay. This looks cute. This is cute.
Itali. MC. Baka masakit sa paa. Ito, tingnan mo dito.
I want that one. It's very cute.
Tumingin ka pa. Ay, ganito mas maganda.
Please.
Really,
Please, Mommy.
Ito, ganda.
No. I want that one.
Ito, ang ganda. Ito, white,
No, I want that one. It's cute.
This is cuter.
But I really want that one. Please.
May size pa.
Please.
May puppy.
Yes, it's very cute. Buy it, buy it, buy it. Buy it, buy it, buy it. Woo!
Size 30 din po.
Oo.
Ay, kung ano yung cash up, pa-check na yan.
Let's go!
Okay lang po.
Patingin nga po.
Ito po. Ay, huwag ganyan. Nelly, pili ka iba.
But I really want the shiny one. No, I want the shiny.
Anak, walang size. Walang size. Walang size.
But the shiny, but that one was cute.
Eh, anong gagawin natin? Ipipilit natin yung paa mo doon. Hindi naman kasha. Oh, sige. Ipipilit?
Yeah.
Ano?
Yes. Yes. The shoe is...
Ganto, shiny. Ito, ganto.
I like... But the bow. The bow is cute.
Sige, huwag na tayong bumili. Hindi ka na.
Mommy!
Ay, anong gagawin ko? Walang size.
I don't know.
Habang nakapag-iinok sa'yo. Make up your mind. Abang naman walang size.
Oh, wait, I just got... Wait, I just gonna... Wait, I just gonna think, okay? We're just gonna pause. Okay, we're gonna... Look. No. Mommy, can you just pick? Can you just pick one for me? Can you just pick one for me as long as it's shiny?
As long as it's shiny. As long as it is shiny.
Yeah.
Bakit kasi shiny dapat?
I like it. La 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 la. Mommy? Oh, gross. I like it. Kind of really expensive. Gap.
Na shiny dapat.
Ang requirement.
Kurumi, mama.
May meron ka na melody? Sige na, patingin. May melody. Eh, baka may rubber shoes ka din may melody.
Wala pa, ma'am. Next week na po.
Ah, next week pa palang may melody.
Pati kurumi.
May melody kami eh.
Ano yung isa? Yung may pinaprotect.
This is very cute.
This is the first time na mag-shoes ka ng may lace.
Yeah. I guess you'll just get
Yan may melody, oh. Which one do you like there? Pang left, pang left, pang left. Pang left. To better to one side.
Okay ka dyan ha, shiny yan ha. Baka naman.
Left, left.
Makikooperate ka kaya? Ay, malaki pala.
30 siya,
too big.
Sige, sige nga po.
Alin, ma'am, design?
May melody.
Hindi, ano
Ay,
pong
Nelly, look. Pili ka ng design na gusto mo.
Ito, pares lang pala.
It has a heart, it has a flower, and this is may ribbon. May isa pa daw na choices.
This.
Baka matanggal naman yung ribbon. Teka nga, makatanggal ba to? Is there a chance? Grabe, may shoes kang may melody.
Those are cute too.
Ito na lang daw, te. Yung ribbon.
30 po.
Let's go.
Ako na yung paa mo. Patingin ako ng right foot. Right foot, anak. Ito namang vlogger na to. Ay, makisama eh.
We made 3 vid. We made 3 vlogs of this.
Sis Marios.
We made 3 vlogs of this. That's our car.
Ayan mo siya. Hindi naman inaano. Naglilibang lang siya. Ano ba yan? Anak, pasok mo yung paa mo. Tigilan mo muna, please. Oh, ayan, oh. Oh. Ate. Bakit kasama namin naman nag-vlog pa tayo?
Baba ka dyan. Halika na, halika na. Halika na.
Oh. How's the fitting?
Good.
Perfect?
Yeah.
Not maluwag, not sikip? You ilakad mo.
A little.
A little masikip?
I do. Actually, what I mean is a little maluwag.
Ah, maluwag. Okay.
A little.
No, you need to walk it.
Yeah.
Good. Oh, ilakad mo. Ilakad mo. Pati naapakan yung ano. Sabihin mo, if comfortable ka or not. You walk, you walk. Ilakad mo. Magaling pa yung sana ko.
30 lang.
Ano?
A little maluwag ba? Or ano?
The black is heavy.
Ha?
The black is a little bit heavy when I walk slow.
What do you mean heavy? Ah, ano? Maluwag pa? Hindi.
The
heavy. Mabigat sa likod.
Hello. Ayan.
So, you're not comfortable. Which do you prefer? Smaller than that or that one na? Okay ka na dyan? No, the size, anak. Which do you prefer? Smaller dyan or enough na yung size na yan? Okay. For sure ha?
Ayan.
Wala.
Still cute.
It's not the cute, it's the size. I want to know.
Ayan.
Perfect.
Okay. O, yung na.
Melody pala yan.
My
Opo,
melody.
May melody tayo forever.
Wala pa yung ano.
Mag-kiss na lang tayo sa papi.
Ayan siya. Ayan.
Okay. Ate. Tell me it's you're comfortable, ha? If not, papalitan. Oh, you walk again. Maluwag, hindi.
Little.
A little? Eh, di ba nilalaki pa
Medyo
paano?
lang po ba siya mag-medyas? Mamanipis.
Kahit yun gano'n natin yun. Okay kaya yun?
Okay na yun.
Or 29 siya, ma'am.
Sige nga po, pwede kaya mag-29. Para parang maluwag yan. Gumaganon sa nag-i-sleep. Pero at least hindi siya magsusugat.
Sige po.
Anak.
29, try natin.
Sige.
Bye. Bye.
Show mo video mo itong napili mo.
This is what I pick. Bye. Wait, actually not. We're just gonna go eat and we're gonna go home and bye. Whee!
Anak, hindi pa tayo uuwi.
Oh.
We still need to buy supply.
Testing lang po, ma'am.
Sige.
Oh.
Anak, testing lang.
Bye.
Sukat mo muna.
Bye.